Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sonic Frontiers. First, identify your preferred gaming platform. Sonic Frontiers is widely available on popular consoles and PC. You can choose to buy a digital copy from your platform's online store or opt for a physical disc from a retailer. Always check your system specifications to ensure a smooth gaming experience. When acquiring Sonic Frontiers, you have two main options: digital or physical. Digital purchases offer immediate download and play, perfect for eager fans. Physical copies, on the other hand, give you a tangible game case and sometimes come with exclusive collector's items. Consider comparing prices from various online stores and local retailers to find the most suitable option for your budget. Sonic Frontiers often comes in various editions, typically a standard and a deluxe version. The deluxe edition usually includes additional in-game content like cosmetic items, skill points, or a digital art book. Furthermore, consider looking into any available downloadable content, or DLC, which can introduce new story elements, playable characters, or challenges, significantly extending your adventure in the Starfall Islands. Once you've purchased Sonic Frontiers, the next step is installation. For digital copies, the download will begin automatically. Physical discs require you to insert them and follow the on-screen instructions. Always maintain a stable internet connection during this process. Remember to regularly check for game updates and patches, as these often improve performance, fix bugs, and sometimes add new features, ensuring you have the best possible experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.